Alrighty guys, what is up? We are at Sesame Place today, and as you can see right there, there is Oscar's Wacky Taxi. And the trains are just so cool. There it is, going through the tunnel over the airtime hills. Man, I haven't been to this place since I was a little kid. It's really weird being here when I'm like 15, almost turning 16, but yeah, we're over here. It's like a pretty cool little park. Just gonna walk through right here. And also there is, I already had that credit over there. That's Vapor Trailer, Vekoma Junior Coaster. And this is weird. Man, that ride looks so fun, and I'm just super excited to ride this. I'm here for the ACE event, and so that is their new Gravity Group Woody, new for 2018. And it was about like maybe a 40-minute drive here. And I think, is that security? I don't know, I haven't been here in like years, so probably over 10 years, but man, this is really cool. There's Vapor Trail. I remember riding that when I was little. Rode it once. It looks pretty fun. And they even have a test seat over there. So there's their whole new little thing. It looks really cool. So anyway, we're gonna go into the park right now. It's park information, and we'll be back once we get into the park. Guys, I'm in line for Oscar's Wacky Taxi right now. Oh my god, this ride looks great. Wow. Here we go. Oh no, I'm holding my phone.
You got the death grip on it.
Woo! Woo! Okay guys, we're heading over to Vapor Trail right now, which has no line. Oh, actually, never mind. I just looking at the station, but why not? It's not that bad. Plus, the Vekoma trains are pretty long, so yeah, it's not bad at all. I remember riding this when I was little, but I've not ridden this in recent years.
It's cute.
I mean, it's a nice color scheme. Kind of reminds me of Stinger or Vertigo.
Yeah, it does have that same color scheme.
Yeah, I like this color scheme. It's a good one.
It's in the queue. We only have like a certain amount of time.
Because we got to go to the pavilion in a little bit. Just got to glance at the park maps. I'm honestly not a fan.
I already have a park map.
I didn't get one yet. I still got to get one. This ride has a decent drop. Oh, here they go. Goes into the trees. That is a smooth ride. That is. It sounds smooth. I'm not sure if it is though. Wait, one train or two trains? Oh, good. So I was about to say, if they're running one train, I'm not really too happy. But anyway, we're gonna go get a ride on this. I don't know why, but let's do it. See you guys then.
I did it in time.
Okay, guys, we just got off a vapor trail. What did you guys think? What did you guys think of vapor trail?
That was really fun, actually.
That was
good. It was good.
That was
It
like
was-
some intense, like it was really
smooth.
It was smooth.
It was a wave pool.
And it was a weird ride, but it was so fun, and it was just, I don't know, back row is really intense. Okay, guys, we just got off Oscar's Wacky Taxi, and I rode second to back. They rode back row, so Shaw, what did you think of that?
That was awesome.
To Jason,
That was
dude.
like crazy.
I mean, I got so much airtime on that, and this ride is just packed with like ejector in the back row. Dude, it's so fun. But anyway, what's the plan? Where do you guys want to go next?
I think I might get my swimsuit.
Yeah, because I kind of want to do the water park, because the water park looks really good here. And, I mean, obviously it's not going to be like Hurricane Harbor or anything, but this just looks like a great water park. So, yeah. So we're going to go out to the car right now and get our stuff. So, yeah, actually, here's just the line. There it goes, up the lift hill again. And this is my first new for 2018 coaster I've ridden, and it's so fun. I love this ride. But anyway, we're gonna get our stuff, and we'll see you guys in a little bit. Okay, guys, so right now I'm actually heading out just to get my bathing suit. And I'm gonna also go back out to get my stuff, but we'll be back in a little bit after the water park. And the water park just looks great. So, yeah, but we go get my stuff for the water park, have some fun in there. I'm not going to be recording in the water park, obviously, just because I don't want to ruin my phone. But, yeah, so we'll be back in a little bit. See you guys then. Alrighty, guys, we are back in the park. And what are you guys in line for right now?
Guest relations.
Yeah,
We're having issues. Park. They're gonna kick us out.
yeah. So they're getting kicked out, which is unfortunate. So, yeah, I guess I'll see you guys later.
Back over here. Get over here.
See ya. Yeah, I'm not actually leaving them. But, yeah, so here's Vapor Trail. They're really weird Vekoma Junior coaster. Very fun. Got that weird drop. That helix is so intense in the back row for this coaster. But the coaster is really stacking a lot today, which is unfortunate. But, yeah, so as you can tell, we are back from the water park. And the water park was just great here. I really love the water park here. And there's this one duck water slide back there. I don't know if you can see it, but it is just so intense. Well, it's not really intense. It's just mostly, you get soaked on that ride. It's really weird theming, but it's really cool. So anyway, though, we're gonna go get into the park. Probably, they're actually in line to get their Ace priority passes for a Wacky Taxi right back there. But yeah, so we're gonna go into the park right now and see you guys at 10. Okay, guys, we just got off of Vapor Trail again. What do you guys think of back row?
That was pretty fun. That was like really crazy. You get like whipped over the top of the lift hill, and you get like sucked down into the helix. Like,
Yeah.
It feels like, I don't know. It feels like a mini I-305.
It kind of does. I mean, it's like a mini
Like,
Sky
I almost
Rush.
grayed out. Like I almost grayed out. On
Yeah,
that
me
helix.
too. And we're going over to ride Oscar's Wacky Taxi again. This Gravity Group masterpiece.
This thing's awesome.
It's so fun.
It's so fun. Like so many like little pops of airtime you don't even expect.
Yeah, I
You
was.
see the layout and you don't notice. There's so many little dips and like,
Yeah,
crazy
man,
airtime
it's
on it.
crazy. But anyway, I'm gonna get a ride on this.
I want to try stapling someone. One of you guys.
Tessie.
Staple me, and I swear to God, dude.
I want to staple you now.
But oh, there they go. They're going up. Yeah, so we're gonna get a ride on this. So we'll see you guys then. Okay, guys, I just got off Oscar's Wacky Taxi. I got 2 rides on it. So I rode one back row for the first time, and back row was just insane. It was really fun. And I also got another front row ride, which was also nice. So anyway, here's the ride. It's just so fun. I can't get enough of this little wooden coaster. Really fun. And we're going to meet up with Sean and Jason because they went to get refills. And also, today's the ACE event, if you didn't know already. And they gave us these priority boarding passes. And I guess the employee's supposed to take them, but the employee didn't even take them. So I still have 2, which is awesome. But yeah, so we're gonna go over to, I think I saw them from the lift hill. Oh, I still see them. They're actually right there. There they are. Man, that was so cool. And also that water slide right there, that's what I was talking about earlier. It's so fun. Yeah, so you got like the statue over there of Snuffleupagus, Elmo, and Big Bird. Pretty cool. So yeah, let's see what they want to do next. What's up? Where to next?
Wacky taxi, dude.
Elmo.
Let's do it.
Elmo pretzel. Bro, I got an Elmo pretzel.
Yeah.
Oh, yo,
It's
can I
like
get a
not,
bag?
it doesn't look like it anymore, but it was an Elmo
It's
pretzel.
weird. Yo, did you bite into it?
No.
Alright,
we just
He's like ripping it off and eating it.
Oh.
Oh my god, it's all man.
Dude, front row, I got another front row. It's so fun.
You got POV?
Nah, I am.
I send them on. We're gonna send the middle row, Sean, and I'm gonna POV.
Yo, use a priority pass because the worker there, he didn't even take mine.
Really?
He didn't take mine. I still have 2.
Wait.
It was so cool.
Are they good for the whole season if you don't use them?
Dude, I hope so.
No.
Dude, I don't know. Anyway, though, we're gonna get a ride on this. What happened?
They did, I think.
I hope not. I'm excited for Burger King.
Oh my god, me too. Dude, I'm gonna get like a Whopper there, so I don't know. Probably won't get a Whopper. You remember how they used to have like the Halloween Whoppers there a couple of years ago?
Oh, where they were like black?
Yeah, dude. Those are so good. Oh, they're going up right now. Anyway, now we're gonna go get another ride. See you guys in a little bit. Okay, guys, so I just got off of Oscar's Wacky Taxi. I'm pretty sure I rode this like 8 times today. It's so fun. I rode front, back, middle. It's such a fun ride. And Sean and Jason are just getting off the ride right now. But, oh, here they go. That is truly an awesome ride, and it is a great addition here at Sesame Place. And I remember both at Winter Adventure and East Coaster they talked about this ride, and this ride blew me away. I had high expectations. It just...
Hi!
What's good, Sean?
What's up?
Dude. But this just blew me away. This shattered my expectations for like a family wooden coaster. Now I just want to ride like Mind Blower. That ride, I'm sure that ride's awesome. And then you have, what else is there? Wooden Warrior and Quasi. I want to ride that. Anthony, he's actually ridden, what's his name? Great Adventure Geek. He's ridden Mind Blower. He rode it in February. But let's get their thoughts. So, Sean, what'd you think?
I think this is one of like the best new coasters of 2018.
Yeah, obviously not going to beat anything like
it's nothing like Steel Vengeance. It's nothing like even
Twisted
like Hang
Timbers
Time.
or anything.
It's just a really good family coaster.
It's so fun. And Jason, what'd you think?
Amazing.
I like the queue.
Oh, look at the line.
Whoa, okay, so...
I'm not taking the priority pass.
yeah.
Everyone else who has to wait for the priority pass.
Yeah, we've been exploiting the priority pass for...
No, technically we're not though. It's like the guy's not taking our card.
Yeah.
Like, we have the priority pass card, but he's not taking it from
Yeah,
us.
so...
He's like, okay, go through.
So you want to just give it out to some random people?
That's a good idea. Yeah, we should.
Yeah. Why not? This is actually, like, the track is so cool on this wooden coaster, and it's got, like, the steel structure, too. It's a really interesting color scheme with green.
Yeah, the green looks kind of funky.
It looks cool, though, I'll be honest. Here they go. This airtime hill, right here, Sean, is insane.
Oh, yeah, that
Right here. It's amazing. Such a great ride, and yeah, so we'll catch up with you guys once we're heading out of the park. I think we're just getting drinks and then we're heading out, but oh, here they go. A magnificent ride indeed. So anyway, it's great. But anyway, I guess I'll record my ending right now. So anyway, guys.
Give out your priority pass in your vlog.
No, I don't feel like it.
Oh, sick.
That's awesome. But anyway, that is going to be it for today's video. It's the first Sesame Place vlog on the channel of many to come, because I'm pretty sure Like never.
Yeah, we're definitely coming back here.
Dude, we gotta come back here later this season when they have like a Labor Day special or something.
Like a cheap day ticket.
Yeah.
I can't pay what I paid, or well, I can't pay what normal day tickets cost.
Yeah, because 70 is
I
way
can't
too much
afford
for a
that.
park like this. Like, if you're little and you want to come here, that's good. Like, because it pays for you. But if you're like us, then it doesn't really pay. But I definitely got my money's worth for the 15 I paid today. But anyway, that's going to be it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll put both of their channels down below. Yes, we got Officer O'Leary and New Jersey Coasters.
Quick, get in the mobility scooter.
Let's do it.
I love how it has a canopy.
It's so cool. And there's Vapor Show to end off the video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys
Bye.
in the next video. Bye-bye.